Do you struggle with insomnia, stress, anxiety? If you do, you're not alone. Mental health challenges are exploding worldwide, but I have good news for you. Acupuncture can be a great ally in your struggles with mental health. So keep watching the video and I'll talk about 3 amazing strategies to help mental health issues with acupuncture. Mental health is one of today's epidemics. More and more people are suffering from mental health issues that range from anxiety, stress, insomnia, depression, and we have to do something about it. Over 300 million people suffer from anxiety, and it's estimated that 1 in 3 adults suffer or have suffered from insomnia. And more people are turning to alternative approaches to help with their mental health challenges. This can be meditation, yoga, mindfulness practices, exercising, but a lot of people don't know that acupuncture can have a huge impact in mental health issues. And today I'm bringing you 3 amazing Master Tung points that can help. If you'd like to learn more about the techniques that I talk about in my videos, check out the courses I have available. I have courses in Portuguese and in English, so check them out in the links below. In these courses, I teach the balanced method to treat pain. This is a technique where you get instant relief in most pain cases. So if you want to learn about it, check them out. So let's dive in with the first point, which is done, or 11.13. As you can see here, the point done is located on the middle finger. This is a set of 2 points located one on each side of the finger. This point has the Sheng of the heart and the gallbladder. Having the heart and the gallbladder Sheng at the same time, this point can balance the wood and fire elements. So this is an amazing point for fear, for indecisiveness, and for anxiety. This point can be used in children for night terrors and for crying during the night, but for adults, it's an amazing point for those people that are afraid of making decisions and suffer from fear and insecurity. So if you have a patient like this, think about this point because it can be very helpful. This next point is Mu 11.17. As you can see here, it's also a set of 2 points, this time on your index finger, and it has the Sheng of the liver. This point can also be used for anxiety, as we saw with done, but when we think of done, we're usually more focused on anxiety caused by insecurity. Here with Mu, we think about anxiety coming from irritability. So this point will act on the liver, and it's particularly helpful for cases where we have hyperactive liver or liver fire. So these are typically patients that have a very short fuse, no patience for anything, and they're always on the brink of exploding and screaming in someone's face. This can be very problematic for their lives. It brings a lot of anxiety. It can bring also insomnia because of this hyperactivity of the liver that always has them in fight mode. So if you see a patient like this, a patient that's always angry, think about using Mu. This is an amazing point. And to finish, I'll talk about Sheng, or the 3 wise men. This is a set of 3 Master Tung points, as you can see here on the sole of the foot. These points, unfortunately, were not in Master Tung's original book, are not numbered, and that I know of are not present in any book translated to English. I've only seen Dr. Who teach about these points and write about the points. These points have the Sheng of the heart, the kidney, and the brain. They are great to work with problems related to the brain, but here we're more talking about the emotional application of these points. So these points, having the Sheng of the heart and the kidney, work on the Shaoyin axis, which, as we know, is very important for mental health issues. We know that the heart is responsible for the Sheng, so a lot of our mental faculties, and the kidney is responsible to holding the heart down. So when we have problems with heart and kidney, we can see depression, we can see mania, we can see insomnia, we can see anxiety. So a lot of these patients can benefit a lot from these points. And these are the 3 Master Tung points that I wanted to bring to your attention today. All of them work in mental health issues, but they work in different ways. Just as a recap, we have Dan, which is more related to gallbladder and its connection to the heart. We have Mu, which is pure wood, liver problems. And we have Sheng, which is more Shaoyin axis, so kidney and heart, so the water and the fire elements that are not connecting as they should. So with these 3 points, you can act in a wide range of mental health issues. Of course, this is not a treatment by itself. You need to do your diagnosis, see what the patient needs, and do a full treatment. But if you're treating mental health, these 3 points are a set of amazing weapons to keep in your arsenal and to add them to your treatments whenever they fit the diagnosis. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and share this video with anyone that might benefit from it, and I'll see you in the next one.